Hey, welcome. Have you ever had one of those days when you have a lot to clamp up, but not enough clamps? I'm having one of those days. I have to clamp up 20 of those panels that you just saw, and here are the pieces. I don't have 40 clamps to just sit around while they dry, so I'm gonna show you how I take care of that problem. I have two clamps here, and I'll add another two. And those two are just to align it. Let me get this together and show you how I do it. So I already have glue on some of the pieces, and let me get glue on this piece. And here's another thing. You can just use a piece of stick. This is just a piece of scrap. If you don't have a brush to apply the glue. Now a brush is better, but a stick works just as good. Get the job done. Now all I have to do is put this together. Here's the panel. Now, since this is an MDF panel, I don't have to worry about wood movement. But if it was a wooden panel, you want to be careful not to get glue down in the groove where the panel goes, because you'll be cussing later. Because wood movement will break the wood, break your joints. So, just so you know. Now, if you notice right here, I leave them proud. I leave the rails proud of the stiles, and that's just to align it with the other clamps. Let me clean this up a little bit to reduce the squeeze out on the clamp. I want to align this in with my clamp so I can get everything square. Don't want to squeeze it too tight, because then you can't align it. And then I get this clamp and put it right on the tenon. Then I get another clamp and put it on the other two tenons. And if you notice, it's right over the tenon and the stile. And as I pull it together, it just pulls it flush with the stile, and it also squares it up. Then I can just finish tightening it and make sure that it's sitting flush on the clamps. Now, to avoid getting glue on my nail gun, I just clean the glue off right here before I nail it up. Now, because this is 11/16, I'm using 5/8 brads. And I just want to get 2 brads in each joint. Being sure to hit the tenon, and then I just take off the clamps, set those aside, clean up any squeeze out that might remain. Now don't worry about this, the sander will take care of this. I set this aside to dry, and move on to the next one. So that's how you clamp up a lot of panels with limited amount of clamps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.